Peace, family. Today we're gonna go through a quick and simple 10-minute chest exercise using no equipment to help you turn your itty bitties into big bitties, if you feel what I'm saying. In this video, you are to follow along, take breaks where needed, and most importantly, train with intensity, i.e., make sure you're putting in effort. All right, so for our first exercise, we're gonna start with some standard push-ups. We're gonna go for 1 minute. When you do it, you get down, put your arms right in front of you. When you get ready to do the push-up position, make sure that your elbows are coming back at a 45-degree angle. Now, if the regular push-ups are a bit too challenging for you right now, you can do some knee push-ups. Just gonna come, cross your feet at the ankles, lean forward, bring the feet up, and once you've determined your level of comfortability, whether it be the standard or the knee, let's get active. All right, we got a minute. Start the timer. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you're going at your own pace. What we don't want to do is sacrifice quality for quantity. You want to make good reps. Make sure you're going as hard as possible. So if you got to slow it down, do so. Right here, as you can see, I'm taking a pause. Right back at it. One minute's up. All right. Let's take a 30-second rest. All right, so up next, we have incline push-ups. We have 3 rounds of these, where our goal is to hit anywhere from 8 to 15 reps within a minute, with 1 minute rest in between. We're gonna go for 3 rounds. Now, what you're gonna need is an end of a couch, or if you have a table, or if you have a desk, anything that just has some height that allows you to grab onto and do incline push-ups. Now for these, it's the same exact concept as on the floor. You want to make sure your arms are at that 45-degree angle. So you don't want to be here, you don't want to be there, you want to be at that sweet spot right in between. So you're going to come to whatever surface, couch, desk, table that you have available. You're going to grab hold to it, bring your feet out. It's going to look like this. All right, so we're going to start. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, I went above and beyond because, don't worry about me. Make sure you're going at your own pace. You're gonna take a quick minute rest. Hey, if you're liking the video this far, do yourself a favor and like and subscribe. Now that's out the way, let's get back to the workout. All right, round 2, let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh. I keep saying 8 to 15 and then I do 20. If you're doing 20, more power to you. If you're doing 8, you're still great. You feel me? All right, now you should be feeling it, because I'm for sure feeling it. Take a little rest. All right, last set. Let's kill it. Let's go hard.
What do you mean by that?
5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Sheesh. Sheesh. Take a quick minute break. Now for these last few minutes, we're gonna bang it out with some wide push-ups. All right, so instead of being right there, kind of shoulder width like you were before, take your hands, take them out about a foot apart, and get down. Same concept. When you push down, you're gonna go into that 45-degree angle. We got a minute on the clock. Our goal is 8 to 15 reps within that minute. If you do more, great. If you do 8, you're still great. Let's do it. Let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16. Whoo! Take a break. Quick 30 seconds. All right. Break's over. Last round. Let's make it count. Push it as high as you can. Goal is 8 to 15. If you do more, great. If you do 8, you're still great. Let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got big old bitties. And if you found this workout to be helpful, let me know in the comments or tell me how I can make these better in the future for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. See you next time. Gratitude.